I will be using the book Kiss the Kits from the Piney Pals Decodable book series. If you don't have this book, that's okay. You can use any decodable book that focuses on consonant K. I will be saying some words. I want you to use your ears, and I want you to be able to tell me the sound that's the same in each one of these words. I will say the word. You will echo the word. Are you ready? All right, let's get started. Here we go. Kiss, kit, kits. What sound was the same in each one of those words? You're right. We heard the k sound. Let's grab our mirrors and see what our mouth is doing when we make the k sound. Take your mirrors, hold it up to your mouth, and make the k sound. What was happening in your mouth? You're right. Your tongue was at the top of your mouth towards the very back. And when your tongue dropped, it kicked out that sound as it dropped. Now, this time, I want you to put your hand on your throat, and I want you to make the sound and see if you can feel a vibration. Let's do it together. Here we go. K. Did you feel a sound or a vibration in your throat? Neither did I. So that means that k is an unvoiced sound. Remember, when we make the k sound, our tongue is at the top towards the back of our mouth. When our tongue drops, it kicks the sound out. And we know that k is an unvoiced sound. Okay, go ahead and put your mirrors away. I'm going to write some words on the board, and I want you to use your eyes because I want you to look very carefully and tell me, what letter do you see that's the same in all three of the words I'm going to write on the board? K, I, S, S. K, I, T, and K, I, T, S. What letter is the same in each one of these words? That's correct. The letter K is the same in each one of these words. Today, we will be focusing and learning all about consonant K. Let's read these three words. Kiss, kit, kits. When you read the book, Kiss the Kits, you will have many chances to see consonant K, which makes the k sound. Remember, when it makes the k sound, our tongue is at the top of our mouth toward the back. When our tongue drops, it kicks out the air and kicks out the sound when it does that. And we know that k is an unvoiced sound. Thank you so much for joining me today. And remember, you've got this.